Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded, your one-stop channel for easy-to-follow tech and productivity tutorials. If you've ever wondered how to insert, format, or remove page numbers in Microsoft Word, then stick around because in today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the entire process in a clear, practical, and beginner-friendly way. Let's jump right in. To begin, we need to access the page number menu. One way to do that is by clicking on the Insert tab on the ribbon, then heading over to the header and footer group and selecting Page Number. But there's also a quicker way. Simply double-click in the header or footer section of your document, and you'll see the header and footer tools appear. From there, you can click on Page Number again to bring up the same menu. Now let's explore the different areas of the page where you can insert page numbers. You can place your page numbers at the top of the page, the bottom of the page, in the page margins, or even at the current position of the cursor, depending on the layout or design you want. Each of these options comes with a variety of templates. These templates are pre-designed to give your document a polished look, but the best part is you can fully customize them to suit your needs. Let's insert a few to get a feel for how they look. First, I'll insert a page number at the top of the page using one of the available templates. As you can see, it fits nicely into the header section. Next, I'll choose one at the bottom of the page, probably the most common option for formal documents. Now let's try placing one in the margin. This puts the page number slightly outside the typical text area, which can give your document a more creative touch. Finally, I'll insert a page number at the current cursor position. This is useful when you want the number in a specific location, like inside a text box or next to a heading. Now that we've seen where to place the numbers, let's take it a step further and talk about formatting. To change the numbering style, say from standard numbers to Roman numerals or letters, go to the Header and Footer tab, click on Page Number, then select Format Page Numbers. You can also get to this same dialog by right-clicking directly on an inserted page number and selecting Format Page Numbers from the shortcut menu. Super handy, right? Once the dialog opens, you'll see a few options. At the top, there's Number Format. This lets you switch from 1, 2, 3 to I, or even A, B, C. You'll also notice an option to Include Chapter Numbers. This is especially helpful for structured documents like reports, theses, or books. Then there's the Page Numbering section. This allows you to either continue numbering from the previous section, which is great for multi-section documents, or start at a specific number, useful when your document is part of a larger compilation. Let's go ahead and change the number format to Roman numerals, and click OK. And just like that, you'll see all your page numbers update across the document. Clean and professional. Now, what if you want to remove the page numbers completely? It's just as simple. Go back to the Header and Footer tab, click Page Number, and then select Remove Page Numbers. That's it. No fuss. And there you have it. Inserting, customizing, and removing page numbers in Microsoft Word made easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss another tutorial from Zimist Coded. Have questions or want to request a future tutorial? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.